Hi, good afternoon. So look at this 2026 QS World Rankings for top 100 universities. And can you guess how many are there from India? 10, 5, 3, it's 0. The IIT Delhi stands the first at 123rd position. That is the best we have, still out of the top 100. And even when you see the list of Times higher education universities, same story. 0 universities from India is in the elite club. And now this is a surprising thing, but not much surprise when you compare that it is the same country where the MBBS and MD fees in private colleges have exploded from 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs, and now it has crossed 1 crore, and even it has touched 2 crore for the full course in top private seats. Donation, capitation, call what it you want. Families are taking lifetime loans, selling lands, just so that their kids can become a doctor. That is okay. You charge 2 crores for a degree, but the universities can not crack the global top 100. So what type of quality we are really selling? World class research? No. World class faculties? Rarely. World class infrastructure? Only in advertisement. World class placements? You know better. We are producing graduates who compete locally while the world races ahead than us. Then there is no option is left for our best minds that they have to leave the country for better laboratory, for better education, better pay, better future. So brain drain is not a phrase anymore, it is reality, and this is the reason. So ask yourself, when the fees touch 2 crores but no Indian university touches top 100 universities, what exactly we are paying for? Degree, title, or just hope? India deserves better. Our student deserves better. Our future deserves better. It's time to wake up, time to reform. Because talent is not the problem, system is. Thank you for watching. Do share your comments.